issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Dallas County and north central Texas until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Dallas, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bulk Springs around 4:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Mesquite and Sunnyvale around 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Buckingham. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.